So the question is, what's the benefits of LinkedIn Premium versus LinkedIn Basic? That's basically the question. Let me give you the answer. It really breaks down to three things. With LinkedIn Basic, you're limited to your search. This is number one. You're limited to your search. If I click in the search bar and I hit the search box here, I can go look for people and I can look for companies. Let me show you what happens when you look for companies in LinkedIn Basic. In LinkedIn Basic, I got no search filters. All I have is up here where I can type in, technology or whatever kind of words I want to look for, and it'll find companies that have the word technology somewhere in their company name or in the text of their company. So company search is very limited. Let me go to people. Here's what I have the ability to do with search for people. So if I'm looking for people, if I go to all filters, you'll see under all filters, there are about 11 key filters. So I can look for connection type. So first of all, there's about 11 key filters. I can see it's a connection level, connections of, location, current and past company, industry, schools, and then down here, first name, last name, title, and these are repeats. So about 11 key filters. There's another issue to be aware of with LinkedIn Basic, and that is you will be limited to the number of search results you can look at each month if you're not paying for LinkedIn Premium or LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Now, in LinkedIn Premium, nothing changes here. Really, from a search result, the only benefits is either a raised level search results or unlimited search results. Now, one more thing to be aware of here. In LinkedIn Basic, I cannot message people who I am not connected with for the most part, beyond groups or LinkedIn invite messaging. I can't send this person a message, okay, unless I either use InMails, which I would have with LinkedIn Business Premium, but I don't have with free version, or I go into Sales Navigator. So no messaging for the most part with second or third level connections. Now let's look at Sales Navigator. Sales Navigator, let me show you this. If I go to leads, let's go to accounts first. Accounts, look at the number of filters I have when I'm looking for companies beyond keywords, geography, and industry. I also have head counts for department or company, revenue, fortune level, number of followers. I also have other filters, technology, job, relationship, and my tags. Pretty diverse level of filtering, way beyond almost nothing in LinkedIn Basic. But let me show you people or looking for leads. Look at the filters I have here, about 22. Past activity, geography, school, industry, first name. Oh, this is the same. But look here. Seniority, years in current position, years of the company, years of experience, title and function. Then I also have company headcounts, company types, and I have groups, tags, and posted content, as well as when did they become a member. Lots of filters built into LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Bottom line, the differences between the premium versions and the free versions of LinkedIn are the ability to add InMails, the ability to increase search results or have unlimited search results, and lastly, if you go to Sales Navigator or Recruiter, which I didn't show you, you go to a higher level of subscription like Sales Navigator, you have a higher number and more powerful search filters.